A cold Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll put it in perspective. Probably the coldest since 2000. We can probably safely say that. But it will be dry. That's good. But we're looking at wind chills in the morning in the teens and 20s. So let's first talk about actual high temperatures. Right now, we're going to go high of 38. Not a wind chill, an actual temperature. So how does that stack up? Well, we were 40 back in 2013. I'm trying to mimic the turkey there. Now, in terms of 2000, we were 38, and that's, I think, what we're on par with this year. But you might ask yourself, well, how cold was it in 1996? It was 35, and the coldest on record was 30 back in 1930. So we're going to be somewhere between 1996 and 2000, probably the coldest since the turn of this century. Okay, let's talk about the turkey trots first. So wind chills, teens and 20s. If you're trying to do a little exercise before you eat your dinner, I won't do that. I'll just sleep in tomorrow. But if you are going to run, teens and 20s, that's what you need to remember. The entire day is not really going to warm up much. In fact, we're looking at temperatures generally holding in the 30s, even some upper 20s to start. We'll say 31 downtown at 9 o'clock, 34 at noon, and then 35 at 5 o'clock. And again, those are not wind chill temps. Those are actual temps. Black Friday looks clear and cold. Good news, 35 at noon. And hey, we break a barrier. We're at least 40 by 5 p.m. Our average high is still 56, so this is way below average for us. Wind chill, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, 16 downtown, 19 in Fredericksburg. By noon, it still feels like it's in the upper teens and low 20s. Winds will slacken and diminish somewhat in the afternoon, so by 5 o'clock, wind chills down into the low to upper 20s, which is still not exactly a treat for this time of year. Okay, headlines. Well, quiet travel weather Thanksgiving if you're trying to make that last-minute trip. Very cold. Rain on Saturday. It will become heavy in the afternoon. Yellow weather alert is likely, and then quiet and milder for your return weather on Sunday. In fact, it looks pretty nice on Sunday. We might even hit 60 on Sunday. In the meantime, this is the European model for Saturday's event. This may be a little ahead of schedule. I think rain may hold off until 9 or 10 o'clock, but notice the magenta here, the pink, and notice the snow back there. We could see a brief mixture, maybe only 20 minutes of some snow or sleet, and then we're just looking at some heavy rain as we go through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. So looks like Sunday is going to have to be a yellow weather alert day. In the meantime, bright but brisk tomorrow, 38, 41 on Friday, and then 51 on Saturday. Rain developing, becoming heavy in the afternoon. But look how we finished the weekend. Sweet. 60 on Sunday, low 50s on Monday, more rain. When we combine Saturday's rain and Monday's rain, we might be in third place for the wettest year on record. A dubious distinction at best, yes. Near 50 on Tuesday, chilly, and then colder next Wednesday with highs holding in the 30s.
All right, Top, thank you. Well, the News at 11 team is good friends with the crew at the Late Show with Stephen Colbert. So when we heard that DC chef Jose Andres was a guest tonight, we asked for a sneak preview to share with you, and they delivered.
My next guest tonight is a Michelin-starred chef who has won James Beard Awards for both Outstanding Chef and Humanitarian of the Year. Please welcome Jose Andres. Jose, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right.
Two-star Michelin.
Two-star Michelin.
Yeah. Michelin is one, is two-star Michelin.
And 4 James Beard Awards.
It took me 48 years to get the 2, so please give me the 2 full Michelin stars.
Two stars.
Thank you.
2 stars. All right. So you also got a National Humanities Medal from Obama. I didn't get that. That's pretty impressive. Yeah.
Are you ready to drink?
I'm ready. It's Thanksgiving coming up here, so we're going to make, obviously, cocktails and eggs for Thanksgiving.
All right, don't shortchange the chef. We promise not to share anymore, but I will tell you this, that the phrase, make America drink again, comes up more than once. The Lake Show with Stephen Colbert is next, but we're not done yet.
I'm Darren Haynes in Fort Worth, Texas. The Redskins-Cowboys rivalry is fierce. Coming up in sports, I'll explain why the Redskins are the reason why Dallas even has an NFL team.
Happy Thanksgiving from the 179th Medical Group.
I'm thankful for pumpkin pie.
And I'm thankful for cranberry sauce. And I'm thankful for all the pies.
DC isn't for the faint of heart. We're original. We know what's right, and we know what's real.
And you deserve news that's as real as you are.
We are WUSA 9 Real Matters.
Get up to $1,000.